Johnson, y'all know what it is, Double B, man. Black Product, man. Shout out to MLK, Projects, Carriage House, Trailer Park, all that, man. Y'all know what it is, man. I'm from the home of the Panthers, Carolina, this the anthem. Rep the city, go ahead, put your hands up. Get a text for acting foul, nigga, and one. Dope dealers by pit bulls and four-wheelers. I'm from the bottom, natural born go-getter. Ain't no city lights, it's a small town. Youngers picking up packs and putting the ball down. We got big dreams, I can see the vision. Well, your next door neighbor be your competition. They think we country, boy, we city slick. We get more drugs than the city get. Boy, my city lit, it's full of black folks. You get out of line, they put you back, folks. I'm posted on the block, robbing Shirley Stove at the crack of dawn for that early flow. I move heavyweight, so them little niggas heavy hate, and I'm about to